So by default, the GUI support in dlib is disabled, and that's because usually the dlib will be running on some Linux server, and for image detection you don't really need to display windows because the software will be running on the server and it will be sending you back the information whether the image detection has been done or not. But very often when we are doing initial prototyping, you will be developing on Mac and you want to see whether your dlib software is working or not. So very often you do need to display intermediate output like hog descriptors, which are displayed in the windows. So in order to get that support, we do need to install a GUI support, and here are the steps for that. First, you need to install xquartz, which is also known as X11, from this website called xquartz.com. This is just a DMG file you can just download on your Mac, and then you can double click to install the app folder. Okay, then what you do is you restart your machine. Okay, as soon as you do that, once you do that, then we need to recompile our dlib. For that we have to download the entire source code. So you can run git clone on your machine, which will download this entire dlib source code on your machine, and then you navigate to dlib folder and you create a directory called build, navigate to the directory called build, and then you compile the dlib. So this will take into account the new xquartz library that you have installed. In addition to that, you build a config release build, and then you run make install. Then you also navigate to the parent folder and you install all Python bindings. So that concludes, this will include the GUI support for dlib, and with this support, when you run the dlib, you can use the commands like dlib.image window to display the hog descriptors visually, so as to know your software is working on.